Hey guys, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 261 XSS Scout. This boat is incredible. You'll notice the black 400 Verado V10 engine, power pole, all black. This boat does have the Midnight Edition, which gives you the superstructure in black, hardtop, dash, everything. Really a stunning boat. You'll notice the aft seating, which gives you a lot of seating across the stern. But if you're hardcore fishing, you just flip them down, get them out of your way, and you can fish really easily. Large live well built in behind the helm seat, which is awesome. And then the helm seat itself has two flip up bolsters here. So if someone wants to sit and then someone wants to stand, twin Garmin screens. You also have twin phone charging stations on either side of the screens. Digital throttle and shift. Really a nice setup, full glass. VHF is up top here. Moving forward, this is one neat feature of the boat. You have a great lounge seat here, forward seating. Can hardcore fish it. You do have a bow sunshade for this boat as well. So if you want to get out of the sun, you can. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thank you.